Hello, my name is Eric Schaefer and I'm a clinical lead at A Better Today Recovery Services. In this module, we'll dive deeper and discuss the disease model of addiction as well as the brain's role in the severity of the addiction. Topic 4. Addiction as a family disease. In this video, we'll discuss how addiction affects a person's family, friendships, and neighborhood. Drug and alcohol addictions are devastating to both the body and the individual's relationships. Even if only one family member is abusing, the entire family, network of friends, and sometimes the neighborhood will feel the impact. In many cases, growing up with one or more parents in active addiction continues a cycle of addiction across generations. Addiction has shown its potential to be transgenerational disease. One family member's addiction can spark other addictions in the following generations until the cycle is broken. So how does your addiction affect the entire family? Substance abuse affects each family member differently, no matter the age or relationship. The family, as a unit, is most dramatically affected as each member relies on each other. Children can grow up looking to substance abuse as a way to cope. Parents who are forced to watch their sons or daughters' addiction spiral out of control also experience a very different aspect of addiction as a disease. The disease feeds off the love they have for their child and the length the parent is willing to go to make their child happy and safe. As the addiction becomes the focus of their life, parents notice lying, stealing, manipulative behaviors, and their child staying out all night or for days at a time. Feelings of hopelessness, frustration, and powerlessness tend to plague the parents of the addicted child, causing desperation to cloud their judgment. Parents are forced to lie on behalf of their loved one, enable their drug use by giving them money or letting them borrow the car to pick up drugs, or turn the other cheek when they realize their stuff is being sold for drug money. The family dynamic suffers as the bonds of the loved one are stretched thin. Whether you are a child of someone struggling with a substance abuse addiction or the parent who is losing a child to drugs and alcohol, you'll feel the effects of addiction as a family disease. Let's move on to how the addiction affects friends and neighborhoods. When the individual is struggling to afford their drug of choice, dealing drugs can become an option they're willing to explore. Introducing drugs to their friends or neighbors becomes part of their active addiction behaviors. If other people are also caught up in the active addiction, that will increase the opportunity for them to maintain their destructive addiction habits. Like the family dynamic, friendships often feel neglected if the addicted person no longer finds it beneficial to their drug habit. Dishonesty, theft, manipulative behaviors, and accruing debt are similar behaviors associated with how an individual's addiction affects their friendships in an unhealthy way. Depending on the drug of choice, dealing drugs in your neighborhood can potentially make the neighborhood less safe and put those around you at risk. It's no secret that gangs are often associated in criminal activity, and sometimes that activity can be drug-related. Whether it's manufacturing or facilitating sales of the drugs, drawing the attention of gangs or creating a gang-related atmosphere to a neighborhood has negative repercussions for those who live there. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to our channel. If you or a loved one is struggling with substance abuse, reach out today. Stay tuned for more videos.